Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to make a foamy and thick laundry detergent using only 3 ingredients. Before we start the mixing process, make sure to wear a face mask and gloves, as the materials can be harmful or harsh when they come into contact with our skin. The chemicals we are going to use are 1. SLES, sodium lauryl ether sulfate. 2. LABSA, linear alkyl benzene sulfonic acid. 3. Soda ash, sodium carbonate. Let's get started. First, we add 10 liters of water into our mixing bucket. This serves as the base for our detergent. Next, we'll add 1 kilogram of SLES into the prepared water. To speed up the mixing process, I'll add 0.5 kilograms of sodium chloride, or salt. This acts as a viscosity enhancer, helping the SLES to blend more quickly and thoroughly. Both the SLES and salt work together to thicken our detergent. Using a mixing stick, I'll mix this for about 5 minutes. Make sure there's nothing settling at the bottom and that everything is well combined. Once the SLES and salt are fully mixed, I'll add 80 grams of soda ash. Soda ash is a mild base that softens water and helps in the cleaning process. We'll mix this for another 5 minutes. While you can use caustic soda as an alternative, it's harsher on the skin, which is why I prefer soda ash for this recipe. After the soda ash is fully integrated, I'll add 340 grams of LABSA. LABSA is a strong acid that enhances cleaning efficiency and boosts the foaming action of our detergent. This powerful cleaning agent also contributes to the foaming properties, making our detergent effective at lifting dirt and stains. I'll mix this for about 6 minutes to ensure everything is well combined. This is the final step of our process. After the LABSA is fully mixed, I'll close the lid and let it sit for about 6 to 12 hours for it to settle. After 12 hours, it looks like this, a thick and foamy detergent that boasts excellent cleaning performance. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.